Azure AI services offer a suite of tools and APIs that enable developers to integrate advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence capabilities into their applications. These services include Azure Machine Learning, Cognitive Services, and Bot Services, among others. By leveraging these tools, organizations can enhance their applications with features such as natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analytics. The integration of these services into a CI/CD pipeline ensures that AI models and services are continuously updated and improved, providing users with the most accurate and reliable results. Continuous integration, CI, and continuous deployment, CD, are practices that enable development teams to deliver code changes more frequently and reliably. CI involves automatically integrating code changes from multiple contributors into a shared repository several times a day. CD automates the deployment of these changes to production environments. Together, CI/CD pipelines streamline the development process, reduce manual errors, and ensure that new features and updates are delivered to users quickly and efficiently. Integrating Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline offers numerous benefits. It ensures that AI models are continuously trained and updated with new data, leading to improved accuracy and performance. Automated testing and validation of AI models within the pipeline help identify and address issues early, reducing the risk of deploying faulty models. Additionally, the integration facilitates collaboration between data scientists and developers, enabling seamless updates and enhancements to AI-driven features. This approach ultimately leads to more robust and reliable AI-powered applications. To integrate Azure Machine Learning into a CI/CD pipeline, start by setting up an Azure Machine Learning workspace. This workspace serves as a centralized environment for managing machine learning experiments, models, and deployments. Create and configure the workspace through the Azure portal and ensure that it has the necessary resources and permissions. Once the workspace is set up, you can begin developing and training machine learning models using Azure Machine Learning Studio or other integrated development environments, IDEs. Developing and training machine learning models involves several steps, including data pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection, and hyperparameter tuning. Azure Machine Learning provides a range of tools and frameworks to streamline these processes. Use Azure Machine Learning Studio to create and manage experiments, and leverage built-in algorithms and libraries for model training. Ensure that your models are trained on diverse and representative datasets to achieve optimal performance. Once trained, models can be registered in the Azure Machine Learning workspace for versioning and deployment. Automating the deployment of machine learning models is a critical aspect of integrating Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline. Use Azure DevOps to create a pipeline that automates the deployment process. Define tasks for building, testing, and deploying models within the pipeline. Utilize Azure Machine Learning's deployment capabilities to deploy models as web services or containerized applications. Automating deployment ensures that new models and updates are consistently and reliably delivered to production environments, reducing manual intervention and potential errors. Continuous monitoring and retraining of machine learning models are essential to maintain their accuracy and relevance. Integrate monitoring tools within the CI/CD pipeline to track model performance and detect anomalies. Azure Monitor and Application Insights can be used to collect and analyze metrics related to model performance. When performance degradation is detected, trigger retraining workflows to update models with new data. This continuous feedback loop ensures that models remain effective and adapt to changing data patterns over time. Azure Cognitive Services provide pre-built APIs for various AI capabilities, such as language understanding, speech recognition, and computer vision. Integrating these services into a CI/CD pipeline involves configuring and deploying the necessary APIs and endpoints. Use Azure DevOps to automate the deployment and management of cognitive services. Define tasks for provisioning resources, configuring endpoints, and validating API functionality. This integration enables applications to leverage advanced AI capabilities without the need for extensive custom development. Security and compliance are critical considerations when integrating Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline. Ensure that all data and models are securely stored and transmitted using encryption and access controls. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, to restrict access to sensitive resources. Additionally, comply with relevant regulations and standards such as GDPR and HIPAA by implementing data protection measures and conducting regular audits. Azure provides various tools and services such as Azure Security Center and Azure Policy to help manage security and compliance effectively. Effective collaboration between data scientists, developers, and operations teams is crucial for the successful integration of Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline. Foster a culture of collaboration by using shared tools and platforms, such as Azure DevOps and GitHub. Encourage regular communication and knowledge sharing through meetings, documentation, and code reviews. By working together, teams can ensure that AI models and services are seamlessly integrated, tested, and deployed, leading to more robust and reliable applications. To illustrate the benefits and challenges of integrating Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline, consider a real-world case study. A financial services company implemented Azure Machine Learning and Cognitive Services to enhance their fraud detection system. By integrating these services into their CI/CD pipeline, they were able to continuously update and improve their models with new transaction data. Automated testing and deployment ensured that updates were delivered quickly and reliably. As a result, the company achieved higher accuracy in fraud detection and reduced the time and effort required for model management. When integrating Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline, follow best practices to ensure success. Start with a clear plan and define objectives for the integration. Use version control for all code and models to track changes and facilitate collaboration. Automate as many processes as possible to reduce manual errors and increase efficiency. Monitor model performance continuously and retrain models as needed. Finally, prioritize security and compliance to protect sensitive data and meet regulatory requirements. By following these best practices, organizations can achieve a seamless and effective integration of AI services into their CI/CD pipelines. The integration of AI services into CI/CD pipelines is an evolving field with ongoing advancements and innovations. Future trends may include the increased use of automated machine learning, AutoML, to streamline model development and training. Enhanced monitoring and analytics tools will provide deeper insights into model performance and enable more proactive management. Additionally, the adoption of edge computing will allow AI models to be deployed and updated on edge devices, enabling real-time processing and decision-making. Staying informed about these trends will help organizations continue to leverage the latest technologies and maintain a competitive edge. Integrating Azure AI services into a CI/CD pipeline offers significant benefits, including improved model accuracy, faster deployment, and enhanced collaboration. By following best practices and leveraging the tools and services provided by Azure, organizations can achieve a seamless and effective integration. As AI and CI/CD technologies continue to evolve, staying informed about new trends and innovations will be crucial. The next steps involve planning and implementing the integration within your organization, continuously monitoring and improving models, and fostering collaboration between teams. Embrace the potential of AI and CI/CD to drive innovation and achieve your business goals.